Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Today I'm just going to do a Lotto Lock Tuesday video, and I've got this Lockwood Loto lockout tagout lock. I've picked one of these before. I've got two of them, one with a long shackle, one with a short shackle, and this was the bitting on the one I've already picked. So yeah, not too bad bitting. And then I've got this one here, which has got a little bit worse bitting. So I'm gonna try to pick this one here. These are really cool. They're totally disassemblable. I don't know if that's a word, but anyway. So a little bit different than some Lottos. They have a dead core, but a sprung shackle and a key retain. And this one's got the brass shackle. I've seen Paul's video, Paul Spring's video the other day, where he had one of these with a plastic shackle, but I know they come in different. They come in stainless, I think, in like a polymer plastic, brass, and there was one other, but I can't remember that right now. But anyway, yeah, enough jibber jabber. We'll try to get this one picked. Alrighty. So because these are so hard to find, took me so long to get them. I don't want to ruin the sticker, and I can't come across these anywhere, so I just get a piece of paper, because the rubber does ruin it a little bit. It's only paper and that's rubber, so yeah, I've had the worst migraines the last couple of days, so I'm really far behind on YouTube, so I do apologise for that. If I'm not commenting or anything like that, it's because I've been in bed, like, just with a doona over my head and no light, no nothing. So oh, and to top it off, this morning, my son usually comes in to wake me up, and I was up pretty late last night, and he always comes in to wake me up, and he was on the windowsill, and he slipped off the windowsill and hit his chin and lip on the corner of the bedside table. So he's earned himself 3 stitches this morning. So yeah, that was fun. That was a rude awakening, to tell you that. But he's fine. He just yeah, he's a tough little kid, I tell you. He didn't even, like, he cried, but he did, you know, he was just two minutes later. He's got blood dripping down everywhere. And he's wanting off to play on his bike, and oh jeez, this little devil, I tell you, mate. But yeah, he's so I'm just seeing what tension and what pick to use. But yeah, he's a little trooper, I'll tell you. He climbs bookcases to the third tier and just hangs off them, and anyway, kids, eh? Alright, let's zoom in here if we can. Alrighty, so that's better, I think. Alright, so let's get to a picking. So yeah, because of the bitting, I'm going to use the penny hooks, 3 different heights, because that's going to require different heights there, I think, to some of these pins, and then to get around 2 there, which is a nice gatekeeper for 3 and 4. Alrighty, so I put the key back there. And let's try to give it a pick. So I'll start off with the B shoe and see how we go. Okay, and this is a 6-pinner and contains all spools, those lovely Lockwood Assa Abloy spools. Okay, I can feel one there wanting to go. There he goes. 2 wants to go. There he goes. 3's a bit funny at the moment. I think he's in the spool state. He's like caught. Let me start again. 1, 2. Yeah, 3. I can't reach that with 3. I think I might have to go with the lockout buster. It's got a higher reach. I have picked this before, but it's been sitting around. But I've not gutted this one yet. I've gutted the other one. but I think I've got it this one. Okay, just set 3 there. And this tension is about to pop out. Oh, okay, got him back in there. Alright, so I believe 3 is set. Okay, go back to the bijou. I just ran it into 4. Okay, no. Let's get the scimitar. Try to get under him. Okay. Right. Okay, that's 4. That's a set. Okay, I can feel 6 back here. And that feels like 5 there, but not any counter rotation. I feel like I'm stuck on something here. Just going to check these pins. 2 is set. Where's the, okay, that's the one. Let's check 3. No, 3 feels good. Okay, we're going here, that's 5, I think. Can't seem to set that one. Oh, ooh. It's a set or overset or underset. Not sure what happened there. Oh, okay, I'm going to let that one drop back down. Oh, back to the bijou. Check these front pins again. That one is good. 2 is good. 3's drop back down. Right, let's try to get through with this one. Okay, counting on 3. I think I've got him there. See that? No, not yet. There he goes, nice click there. I don't think I set 3 properly the first time. And making the other pins feel a bit funny. Okay. Okay, let's give me a counter there. Okay. Keep going. That feels settled. Yeah, I'm using very, very light tension here. Okay, that's 5. Oh, we've got an open. Cool. Ka-ching! Alrighty, so that one's done. Get the vice out of the way. Get my little pinning mat. Sorry, that was a bit of a slow pick. I'm still recovering from that migraine. They're not fun, I tell you. Oh, and it's bloody freezing down here at the moment. Windy. Alright. Okay, mine, let's get the key. Where are you, key? There you are. Okay, mine to close it back up. And pull the cord out. Okay. This one came out a lot easier than the last one. Okay, so we've got a plastic adapter. And same sort of cylinder you'd find in a 334B. Is that weird lighting or is it just me? Maybe I need to buy my lens on that camera. I don't know. Might back out a little bit. Alrighty. Yeah. So it's got a little limiter on the tailpiece. Alright. Tailpiece, get a key. Sure. that's the cylinder there. And that's how it had to be picked. So there's the, yeah, so 2 was a nice gatekeeper. For 3 there, as you can see, it was high lift on 3. And 4 and 5 and 6 just had to be touched. Oh, come on, iPad, thank you. So just a normal brass stock plug, cord, cylinder. Let's get these, arrange these around. So these are all tapered keep-ins, or beveled keep-ins. Tall ones down the back. Alright, let's go from the front. Okay, spool. Spring doesn't want to come out. Spool. Okay, I might just leave the springs in there. So just a normal Bible as well. Alright, I'll give you guys a quick look at the pins. If I can, there we go. So you can see you got key pins are all tapered, beveled, and 6 beautiful Lockwood Assa Abloy spools. So yeah, and yeah, the springs are still in there, but they're just normal Lockwood springs, copper springs, I think. I'll try to get one out and just have a quick look see. Some of these do have stainless. No, these ones are the copper style springs like that. So cool. Anyway, yeah, that's all I have for you today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.